Today we've been working with Year 7s to work on ideas on how to tackle youth loneliness.
And we're going to be talking to them about loneliness, social media and the outdoor spaces.
We've been here to find out what youth loneliness means to the Year 7s who are here today.
I think I realised that loneliness is a really common thing, but lots of people try and hide it.
If you see someone who looks a bit down or upset, you can just go over to them and help them and ask them if they're okay.
A lot of my group were talking about having pillows and a nice place to sit.
Yeah, we had a quiet place, someone said, where you could read and just chill.
Some ideas that they came up with were board games, just a general chill out space, internet games.
We are planning on building a garden that everyone can go to, everyone can feel comfortable and everyone can talk, relax and just be themselves, especially if they're lonely. It's built so that people feel less lonely. We're planning on putting some board games there so that people can sit, chat, find out what each other like to do and then maybe find some common ground.
I enjoyed working with Year 7s and seeing their perspective.
Yeah, I enjoyed talking with the coaches that were in our group and passing around the ball and playing the chair game and being able to express myself.
I really enjoyed speaking about the social media.
What I enjoyed about today is that all the ideas are shared and supported.
We've learned that loneliness is a very important thing and it needs to be solved.
Restorative justice techniques have worked really well here because it enables us to dig deeper with younger children and teach them about the importance of mental health and how to tackle it.
Restorative justice is showing what the right way or the better way to do something is.
I've learned that it's actually really easy to relate to people. You just need to get to know them, and once they open up, it's nice to be fun and bubbly with them, and that everyone is equal. You just need to get to know them better.